All right, some fun stuff to watch and maybe a good idea, but you also want to plan some outside time.
Yeah, take advantage of the sunshine. It's going to be so beautiful this weekend. Except, Max, you could see a couple of those pop-up thunderstorms that we're going to talk a little bit about and what you could see. So I want you to be prepared if you are making those plans outside. But already today, it's feeling good. Take a live look at Sundance. Look at the blue skies. I always look at this view and I think this looks picture perfect. I love seeing how it's greening up out there on the mountains. We're in the upper 70s right now in Salt Lake City. You've got a calm breeze from the north, 5 miles per hour. So really a pretty start to our afternoon. Those upper 70s, low 80s all along the Wasatch Front. Park City, you hit 70 degrees, 76 in Price. And as we zoom things out, St. George in the low 80s, Moab at 80 right now, low 80s in Milford. So here's the thing. Things are looking good in southern Utah right now, but I want to zoom you in. Things are already a little bit unsettled in northern Utah. And a lot of what you're seeing isn't even touching the ground. We started off our morning with a few light showers near the southern Idaho border. And now in far northeastern Utah, we are seeing a few light showers. And a lot of what you're going to see this afternoon, it's going to be in the mountains if we do get some of that shower activity popping up. And that's because we had this weak system that just brushed by to the north of us. And now we're continuing to see high pressure. But as that pushes out of the way, we've got this storm indicated by the green that's going to be dropping in along the west coast. And it's going to be pushing into the desert southwest over the next 24 hours. And then we're going to see that nearing St. George by Sunday night. And the big thing it's going to do, it's going to create some strong gusty winds, especially in southern Utah. So that's where we're going to see high fire danger. We're going to get breezy and windy this afternoon with gusts up to about 35 miles per hour in the Grand Staircase area. But you're going to start to see those winds increasing, especially tomorrow, where we're going to see areas of blowing dusts and some microburst winds in northern Utah. We're going to be in the mid 80s today, so several degrees above average, but you're going to see plenty of sunshine with some more clouds popping up. Mid 80s along the Wasatch Front, mid 90s in St. George. And tonight we stay mild, upper 50s as you're getting yourself out the door early tomorrow morning. And if you're sleeping in, well, things will warm up fast tomorrow. Low 90s on Saturday in St. George. And then what you're going to notice is those temperatures drop a little bit. So that system is going to be pushing a little bit closer to St. George, into Nevada, then closer to St. George, the Four Corners region by Sunday. The thing it's going to do is dropping our temperature just a bit. You're still pleasant and warm. And then you're going to see a better chance for showers on Monday, warming back to the low 90s on Tuesday and Wednesday. Northern Utah, I want to talk about what you're going to see this weekend. So you're going to get, as I mentioned, some of those microburst winds, which is because we could see some dry thunderstorms, which means you may not see the rain, but you get the strong, gusty thunderstorm-like winds. That's going to be in the afternoon Saturday, a better chance for that on Sunday, but we're not ruling out some of that rain in areas like Bear Lake. Be prepared in the afternoon. May not be the best to be going boating. And then we continue to see some of those showers on Monday. You're not cooling down too much this weekend. And then we're going to stay a little unsettled next weekend. But we'll be back to 80s on Wednesday and then dropping back to the upper 60s on Thursday with another chance for some showers. Either way, though, Max, getting a little bit of rain going to be a good thing. And it's going to feel good to be back in the 60s. You know, and you just you struck a chord with me. I'm so glad you mentioned like Bear Lake. Yeah. I think about Strawberry Reservoir. That can be a mean lake when it gets windy, and Flaming Gorge up north here. And the water is going to be cold at this time of year, really cold. So be careful if you're on those lakes. And even seeing these great temperatures, just the afternoon when we have that thunderstorm activity popping up. I just want you to keep it in the back of your mind. Yes. And be careful. Life jackets, especially on kids. Thanks a lot, Danny.